Hey everyone! If you've been feeling drained, sluggish, or just not quite yourself, it might be time to talk about boosting those testosterone levels. Whether you're looking to improve your muscle gain, energy, or overall well-being, I've got 3 testosterone-boosting supplements that actually work. Let's dive into it. Testosterone isn't just a hormone. It's the key to so many aspects of your health. It influences your energy, muscle mass, mood, confidence, and even things like body hair growth. Low testosterone can lead to fatigue, irritability, and even muscle loss, which is why optimizing it should be a priority for anyone serious about health and fitness. First up, let's talk about boron. This simple yet powerful mineral can help make your testosterone more effective by increasing the amount of free testosterone your body can actually use. So how does it work? Well, boron helps reduce the binding of testosterone to a protein called sex hormone binding globulin, SHBG. This means more testosterone is available for your body to utilize, giving you that energy boost and muscle support you're looking for. All you need is about 5 milligrams a day. And the best part? It's super affordable and easy to find. No need for fancy compounds here. Next up is stinging nettle. This herb is not just for making you itch when you touch it in the wild. It's actually a great supplement for boosting testosterone. Here's why. Stinging nettle works similarly to boron by binding to SHBG, preventing your testosterone from being locked away. The more testosterone you can free up, the better. It's especially useful when stacked with other testosterone boosters for even better results. Taking stinging nettle daily helps keep your free testosterone levels high, which is what really makes a difference in how your body performs. Plus, it's natural and can be found in many testosterone support blends. Now, my third favorite supplement for boosting testosterone is Tongkat Ali, also known as long jack. This herb has been used for centuries to increase testosterone, and the best part? You can actually feel it working. Tongkat Ali is thought to work by increasing the production of testosterone in the body, blocking an enzyme called aromatase that converts testosterone into estrogen, something we definitely want to avoid. What I love about Tongkat Ali is that it doesn't just boost testosterone in theory, it has real noticeable effects. I've felt more energized, stronger, and more focused when I've taken it regularly. Just be prepared, this herb has a very bitter taste, but it works. So there you have it, 3 testosterone-boosting supplements that are not only effective, but they've worked for me and countless others. Remember, supplements alone won't do it all. Make sure you're eating right, sleeping well, and staying active. But these 3 will definitely give you that extra edge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more content like this.